You saw me trade it. You saw me call it. You saw me talk about it. I've got 8 million training videos on it. What is my favorite trade in the business? Better setup on SPY, you guys, is wait till the break and hold above 567.50. Break and hold above 567.50. You guys are looking at ES futures. We want to wait for the break and hold of 57. We'll just say 57.11. Okay. Now we are up here on a double top on SPY. Everybody see it? That is a double top setup. There it goes. Collected. Now up $269.70 off that double top pullback. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just forget. That's it. Mic drop. I'm out of here. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm gone. You saw me trade it. You saw me call it. You saw me talk about it. I've got 8 million training videos on it. What is my favorite trade in the business? Go ahead.
Double tops and double bottoms.
What did it do? And what did it do? Double top pullback, right? Come on now.
The clickety-click.
Come on, get in, get green, get out, right? Let's go. For everybody else, 2-minute EWOs. Look at Apple, that huge pullback. Who collected on Apple once it broke below that 199.91, which broke that little V setup? Anybody? If you didn't, you're like, why didn't I make my money?
Collected some on the way up just in case, and then collected at yesterday's high, and then collected on the pullbacks.
And that is why he is a beautiful human being, everybody, right there. Let's give it up for him right now. Glorious.
Mark's over there crushing ES, coach.
Good job. Yeah, he's next level now. Next level. I told you it was coming. All right, here we go. ES, come on, baby. We're watching it here now. And SPY, looking to see if we're going to get a bounce off of VWAP here. Not, I'm going to be set up for the next setup. Remember, A+ setups, small position size, let the runners go, work what you need to, stop dinking around with your stops. Everybody should have already made money today. Everyone in the room. We've only had one trade, double top pullback. That was it. Am I right? Oh, look at this bleeding out still. Wow. Double top pullback still. Who got in it? Talk to me. This is bouncing on the 200. I should have waited till the break and hold. Sitting on the 200 here. Extremely heavy, but sitting on the 200. Still sitting here. Not good for me. Should have waited just a smidge longer. Give this a second. That'll work. There we go. Come on. There we go. There's the flush. That's better. I'll take it. What should have happened is I should have waited till right there. That was the move. But I'll take it up 500 for the day. 3 trades, all A+ setups. Didn't force anything. Set up beautifully. Who would like to make $500 in 14 minutes, 3 clicks, taking me less than 1 minute total time of work? Anybody else?
Yes, coach.
All day, every day.
Thank you. Now, you want to know what's really crazy? I do that 10 times today. I just paid for an entire Diamond Lifetime membership, which will give me access to all of the training over at American Dream Trading. Literally, if I do that 10 times today, lifetime of training. Are you serious? Glorious.
Coach GPUS is climbing up still.
Thank you, partner.
What do you think of that?
Thank you. This is still flushing out over here on SPY. You guys are still riding this double top, yes? The double top pullback. My gosh.
Be careful at 566. You're gonna have support at 566 on SPY.
Yep, I've got it marked. Yep, 566. That's exactly where I got it marked. Good call out.
Yep.
Watching the key critical areas. Nobody's trying to be a hero. We're waiting for A+ setups. Again, if you did not get on the double top pullback, what are you doing? If you're a scalper, what are you doing when you did not get into that? Right? Oracle says over on the free YouTube channel, I'm up $550. There you go. Guess what, Oracle and everybody else that's listening, for $750, you guys can get a lifetime premium membership, which normally costs $125 a month. I haven't ran that sale in over 2 years. You just made enough, almost, to cover a lifetime membership in the premium area. Thank you. So the real question is, who is still in this from the double top pullback?
Me.
Yep. Is that the greatest, most beautiful trade or what?